Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we will see how to change phone number in Binance. Make sure to follow this step carefully. So let's start. First of all, click on Binance app logo, which is located at the top left corner of the screen. Now click on Profile and now select Security. Under the Password tab, click on drop down menu and select phone number. Here click on Edit to change your number. Now click on Continue and write down your new number. Now click on Get Code and you will receive a new verification code on your following number and you will be able to change your number. I hope this video will help you. If so, please consider in liking this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you.